Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform to help you decide which of these would be a better option for you. So to get started with the analysis about GetScreen and ISL Online. GetScreen in 2025 is all about simplicity and speed. It's a browser-based remote access that requires no installation, making it ideal for quick section or helping clients without tech headache. It's affordable, lightweight, and perfect for freelancers or small support teams. However, it lacks advanced features like section recording, multi-user support, or a high-end security protocol. So talking about ISL Online, on the other hand, is more feature-rich and geared towards businesses that need secure, scalable report support, and it supports unattended access, strong encryption, customer branding, and is used by enterprise and IT professionals worldwide. The trade-off is that it's more complex and priced out than GetScreen. And here is a better conclusion about it to help you decide. So you can use the GetScreen if you need fast, easy remote access without any extra tools, or probably go with ISL Online if you want a full control, a stronger security, and advanced features for professional IT support. And that's it.